Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about integers and their opposites. Opposite numbers. If numbers that are located on opposite sides of zero are the same distance from zero, they are called opposite numbers. This means that if a number is 2 units to the left of zero, then its opposite is 2 units to the right of zero. When we have opposite numbers, one of the numbers is negative and the other number is positive, with the exception of 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, so 0 does not have an opposite. So some examples of opposites are negative 2 and 2, negative 5 and 5, and negative 1 and 1. So opposite numbers. Here we have a model. And we're going to use the number line to the right to plot negative 4 and its opposite in green, 3 and its opposite in orange, and 0 and its opposite in purple. So, for negative 4, we're going to plot that one first. So that's negative 4, and its opposite is 4, so I'm plotting 4. Then we have 3 and its opposite in orange. So 3 and its opposite is negative 3. And then 0 and its opposite in purple. So 0 doesn't have an opposite, so I'm just plotting 0 by itself. So what is the opposite of 0? Justify your reasoning. 0 is neither positive nor negative, so 0 does not have an opposite. So the opposite of a number. So how can we represent the opposite of 10? So the opposite of 10 is negative 10. We use the negative symbol to represent that negative 10 is the opposite of 10. So how can we represent the opposite of negative 10? The opposite of negative 10 is negative 10, which is the same thing as 10. We use the negative symbol to represent that negative 10 is the opposite of 10. So this symbol here means the opposite. So the opposite of negative 10. We also know that the opposite of a negative is a positive, so a double negative is a positive. So whenever you see two negatives like that in front of a number, then that means the opposite of negative 10, which makes that positive. And that's it.